Aha! Greetings, Big Bird.
Oh, hi.
Do you know why I, the Count, have come?
Why?
Because I'm looking for something to count.
I don't see anything. It's just me and Radar here, thinking of something to do until Maria can play with us.
Oh, Oh, well then, I just got a wonderful idea. Why don't you make a great big giant building, and I, the Count, will count all the blocks you need to make the building.
Oh. Will you excuse us a moment? I need to discuss this with Radar.
Certainly.
Well, Radar, what do you think? Should we make a building? Let's imagine it. Imagine if we made a great, big, giant building. Yeah, Count. Let's do it. Let's make a building right now.
Oh, good. That is one block. That makes two blocks. That makes three blocks. Okay, Big Bird, the next block.
Actually, Count, that's it. I only have 3 blocks.
Oh. Well, on the other hand, 3 is good. Yes, that is 3 wonderful blocks. You know, this gives me an idea. I will go count all the bricks on the entire Empire State Building. So long.
Well, Radar, I guess we have to find something else to do until Maria can play with us. But what?